Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by and for clicking on this video. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the tennis look. I don't know if you all have seen this look on Instagram or on Facebook or TikTok. I do not know. Or YouTube itself, you might have seen it on YouTube too. If you don't have that tennis dress skirt at home, you don't have to rush to go buy one. Maybe you have this particular one that I'm going to be using, a similar something that is tennis appropriate kind of outfit too, so I'm going to be using it to recreate this style actually came as an inspiration. Like I would say, my hubby saw a particular video on I think on TikTok. Someone sent it to him. I don't know how it got, because it's not really, it was like I should recreate that look. As you already know, I'm not going to run to the store to go buy a tennis skirt just to recreate this look. So I decided to go into my closet as usual and look at what I can put together to get this look. But before we jump right into today's video, please, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and please turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and please leave me like as well so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this video for more people to see. And without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go back and look at the look that I'm trying to recreate, and you all will see everything I'm going to be using in this video are things that I have in my closet. I did not purchase any new thing at all from head to toe. From my closet. So I'm giving you an idea of how to recreate this look, just in case you have the similar thing that I have in my closet, to create yours too. And if you are the type that you don't mind, you want to go ahead and buy these skirts, you all know when things are trending to trend for a while and they will be gone. This is why I will not really recommend or invest too much on trend. I like to wear things that are in vogue, you understand, just to be up to date, you know, to look youthful and look more vibrant, you know, look youthful. That's just the bottom line about this trend thing. But at the same time, I would not want to invest too much into trend things. I would rather want things that are classic, that I can wear year round. And I hope you all will enjoy watching it. I'm not going to be talking in between while I'm doing it because it's self-explanatory. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, just like I mentioned earlier on.
Cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space.
And this is how we created this look. I changed to a plain white shirt, which I believe every one of us will own in our closets. Also, the tennis dress I use, I turn it into a skirt, and I try to tuck it in and make it neat as possible at the front, so it's not going to be bulky. Then I put this tie on it, this tie that is already made, you know, the clip-on tile, the clip-on tie that you can just add to your look to give it this tennis look that I'm going for. This is how I recreated this look, and if you already have all this in your closet, you don't need to go repurchase. You just have to reinvent and see how you can get this look. I'm not going to be buying this tennis skirt. If I feel like wearing this outfit, this is how I'm going to, you know, restyle it with everything I own in my closet already. Mind you, the tie is new, it's thrifted. I saw this tie in the thrift store. I bought it for $2.50, I think. Yeah, that's the only thing that I'll say is kind of new among everything that I'm using. The rest of the things are from my closet, and this is how this look came up. So this is what will inspire you if you want to recreate the tennis look without buying the tennis skirts.
You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.